Hi, I'm Poh. I'm here with Crockpot and I'm about to teach you how to make brandy butterscotch apples with pecans and yogurt using the express crock. Seriously, this could not get easier. For all those terrible dessert cooks out there, this is the recipe for you. To begin with, press simmer and then start. We're just going to start popping all our ingredients in there. So I've got butter, 100 grams of unsalted butter, brown sugar, brandy, optional, but why wouldn't you put it in there? And some cream. So that's the beginning of the butterscotch, and we can just leave that to do its own thing. This mixture will definitely do 5 to 6 apples. I can hear that bubbling away. I'm going to give that a bit of a stir. Yum! You can just smell all those beautiful butterscotch flavours and that little hint of brandy. The butterscotch is coming along beautifully. It smells amazing. I'm going to add some salt because that's going to just balance the sweetness a little bit. And we're ready to put the apples in. So try to have them in a single layer. And then I'm going to pop the glass lid on, which is your other alternative with the express crock. It's bubbling beautifully in there, but I'm going to just give these a little bit of a stir to make sure that all the bits that were outside of the butterscotch are turned over so they cook evenly. Different varieties of apples will cook at different rates, and I like my apples nice and firm, but some people like them really tender. So it's up to you how long you want to cook them, and that's why we have the handy glass lid, so you can have a sneaky peek. These smell so delicious. I'm going to plate them up now. Yum! A little bit of that butterscotch, and then I'm just going to break up these roasted pecans. It's up to you, just use your favourite nut. Almonds and walnuts go beautifully as well. Just toast them nicely. This is kind of a bit of a quick crumble almost. And it's gluten-free. And then next, the Greek yogurt. And the sharpness of the Greek yogurt is going to help counter that sweetness of the butterscotch. And it just works really perfectly. And that's it. That's my brandy butterscotch apples with pecans and Greek yogurt. And by the way, this Greek yogurt can be made in the express crock.